User acceptance testing is a critical step in the software development process. It ensures that the product or service meets the business requirements of the user. But how do you plan and design a successful UAT process? The first step is UAT planning. This includes preparing estimates, defining UAT environment requirements, identifying business users and forming a team, and reviewing project documentation. It's also necessary to identify business scenarios and prepare test scenarios and cases. Finally, the test environment and data should be set up and a shakedown test of the environment should be performed. The next step is UAT design. At this stage, it is important to review UAT coverage and conduct a walkthrough of the UAT process, review SIT results, prepare questionnaires, and prepare daily execution plans for each day of testing. With proper design, UAT can identify defects and ensure that the application meets user requirements. The final step is UAT execution. During this phase, it is essential to hold daily stand-up meetings, walk through scenarios, execute test cases, complete questionnaires, log defects, perform daily defect triage, report on tests, and back up environment data prior to testing each day. With diligent execution throughout testing, you can rest assured that your application meets user acceptance criteria before being released into production. Good luck with your UAT process. Thank you for watching.